Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about add submenu page under some admin menu. So similar video I have created before, which is inside my Let's Learn WordPress playlist, tutorial 17, which is admin submenu page. This is similar to this, but for this it is only for some admin menu. So what is admin menu? So this is my local WordPress site and I'm logged in as an admin. So here in the left sidebar we see is called admin menu. So for some pages of admin menu we are going to add submenu. So let's jump into the code. Before that I'm going to show you where I'm going to add my code. So all my tutorials are playing around this plugin, which is my custom plugin, and I'm going to add the code inside this plugin. And if you don't know how to create custom plugin, I have already created a video regarding that. Link is into the description section, and this link also I will provide into the description section. So this is my local WordPress repo, and inside this WP content plugin, this is my plugin. Inside includes, I have created admin.php for admin related stuff. So let's try to add submenu page under the admin menu. So function to add submenu is this add management page. This function will add submenu under tools menu. So this function we should add inside admin menu hook. So now let's try to add this function add management page, which will accept several arguments. First is the page title. So let's try to add page title. Well, you can use this internationalization as well, and the text domain. Then the second argument is menu title. So I'm going to say this menu title. Third one is the capability. So as of now, let's make manage options, which is capability for admin. Then the menu slug. So slug will be WP page. Sorry. Slug. Then the callback function. So what content you want to display inside this submenu page. So I'm gonna echo some test. So this function adds submenu page under the tools page. So if I go here, currently there is no page, custom page. So let's refresh this, and if we hover, we have this page inside the tool, under the tool function, tool submenu. So this is how you can use this function, add management page. Similarly, there are other functions which adds submenu under particular pages. So those are pretty straightforward. So if we use add media page, then it will add a submenu under the media page. It accepts the same argument. So now if I change it to add media page, and let's try to access the media page. So if we hover on the media, our page is now coming under the media. It is not there under the tools. So similarly, there are other functions called add plugins page. That means it will display under the plugins menu. So now if I hover this, it is displaying over here. Similarly, add pages page. Pretty straightforward. It will add submenu page under the pages. So as you can see, then similarly for the posts page, so it will create submenu under the post like this. So this is how you can add submenu pages to WordPress admin menu for particular pages. This is the video, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.